Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling circle search and granting microphone and location access. Once done, open Nord 5 home screen and navigate directly to search settings. Flip the circle toggle on. Next, practice the gesture. Place one finger at the screen center and draw a smooth circle outward. You do this to teach the touch sensors the right motion and radius. Make sure the screen protector isn't lifting. Any gap alters the gesture. Keep the movement steady for reliable recognition. Now you perform the circle gesture to search. Start at the center and move in one continuous motion until you reach about 3/4 to a full circle. Do not pause. You want consistent speed so the algorithm reads a clean trajectory. When the device vibrates or shows the search UI, speak your query or type as needed. If you're practicing, repeat 6 to 8 times so the model adapts. Remember that lighter pressure can work, but firm, even contact is most reliable. To finish, verify the search results and refine your query with voice or typed additions when required. Once satisfied, save any settings like preferred search engines. If Circle stops working after updates, go back to settings and recalibrate the gesture. Rerun the teaching sequence. If problems persist, restart your Nord 5 and clean the screen. One key troubleshooting tip. Temporary failures often come from screen protectors or greasy fingers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.